Autumn is love, but it wasn't always the season I loved. Whenever autumn arrived, when I was a kid, it made me sad as I saw the leaves falling, flowers drying. So I asked my Nani Amma, भगवान ने ऐसा सीजन बनाया ही क्यों है जिसमें सारे फूल सूख जाते हैं, पेड़ों के सारे पत्ते गिर जाते हैं? My Nani Amma smiled and said, बसंत के आने के लिए पतझड़ का आना भी जरूरी है. And this is nature's way to teach us that nothing in life is constant. Nature also needs time for recovery, healing, and preparing itself so that it can blossom every time during spring. So next time, जब भी तुम्हें low feel हो या फिर left out feel हो, remember that it's your recovery season and soon you will blossom. Look how nature heals itself so gracefully. So why can't we?